Understanding fire behavior in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, fire behavior. Understanding such phrases is crucial for mastering the English language, especially for non-native speakers. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of fire behavior. Fire behavior is a compound noun, where fire acts as the adjective, describing the type of behavior. Fire, as we know, is a powerful and often uncontrollable force. So, when we talk about fire behavior, we are referring to the characteristics or the manner in which a fire starts, spreads, and reacts to the environment. In most cases, fire behavior is used in a scientific or firefighting context. It's essential for understanding how fires spread in forests or buildings, helping in creating effective strategies to combat them. For instance, the firefighters studied the fire behavior to plan their extinguishing approach. Sometimes, fire behavior can be used metaphorically. For example, in a business context, one might say, the market's fire behavior shows a rapid and unpredictable change, likening the market's volatility to the unpredictable nature of fire. I hope this video has illuminated the concept of fire behavior for you. Remember, understanding such phrases enriches your English vocabulary and comprehension, making you more proficient in the language. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.